Hi, welcome back to the channel. Miles here for PJMCollectibles, and today is a Halloween special. So come join me as we unbox and take a closer look at this 1/64 scale Ghostbusters 2 Ecto-1A by YS model. Alright, here it is, the Ecto-1A in 1/64 scale model. Okay, first off, talking about the box. Okay, the box is usual, without box sleeve, favorite of mine. Okay, get to see the model right away, and I'm going to remove it. And from the box itself, nothing else except for this card. Okay, it's a Ghostbusters 2 logo. Okay, guess who's coming to save the world again? Okay, nothing else. And the model. Okay, here's the model. Model sits on an acrylic base with an acrylic cover. Very good for collectors and to keep the model intact. Model sits, or rather is secured on its acrylic base with 2 screws. So let's take this one out. Okay, now that we've removed the model from the acrylic base, here it is. Okay, before we dive into the model itself, okay, we're going to talk about the car. Okay, this car, or rather this model, is based on a 1959 Cadillac Miller Meteor Sentinel End Loader Ambulance. Okay, it's quite a long name for a car, but anyway, here's a picture of it, an actual car. Okay, it is a body style of an end loader ambulance. Okay, it's a combination car, which is a combination of a hearse and an ambulance. Okay, and maybe the producers of Ghostbusters movie, okay, decided to go with this car, okay, because of its classic design in a very distinct, massive tail fin. Okay, and thus easily recognizable, and it's really iconic. Okay, now we're going to talk about the model. Okay, this one is Ecto-1A. Okay, this is from the second movie, Ghostbusters 2. The first movie, they got the Ecto-1. Okay, the difference between the Ecto-1 and the Ecto-2, or rather the Ecto-1 and the Ecto-1A, is that this one, the Ecto-1A, comes with more accessories. Okay, more gadgets for the Ghostbusters. More accessories on top. Okay, so okay, let's go and look at the model itself. Okay, first off, this 1/64 scale, as says so in the box, but I don't think this 1/64 scale. It's kind of big for a 1/64 scale. I don't have another Cadillac Miller Meteor in the garage, so I can't compare it. But it's really big. Nonetheless, okay, model itself is full diecast body. Okay, and it rolls with rubber threaded tires. Okay, very good wheel design, very classic, very iconic. Okay, model rolls smoothly. Okay, all wheels roll smoothly. Okay, now we're going to talk about the details. Okay, first off, on the sides. Okay, very good details, good paint finish, white and clear tampos. Okay, very true to the movie. Okay, there's the Ghostbusters 2 logo and some yellow and black stripings. Okay. And some orange and black on the roof line. Okay. Windows are clear with silver trims. Okay, those are painted ones. Okay. From the rear to the front. Okay. Side mirrors are clear, or rather, side mirrors are detailed ones. Okay. Colored silver. Very good. And also, as you can see, on the front, very good details on this Cadillac, on this Ecto-1A. As you can see, front grille, very good details with silver and chrome trims. Even the bumper itself, very good details. No license plate, nonetheless, it's good. Okay, moving on to the hood. On the hood, put some details on there. Okay, there's a Cadillac logo up front, and also the engine vents in front. You can see those are silver trims. Okay, very nice. Okay, even the windshield, the curved windshield, has some details. Has some wipers. Curled silver also. Okay, the roof is plain. Cannot well see, but I think it's just plain, covered by the massive roof rack with the accessories on top. Okay, talk about that later. Okay, on the other side, still the same, but this one has silver antenna. Okay, it's a whip type antenna. Okay. Typical to the era. Okay, it's a period correct. This one, okay, kind of fragile and very detailed. Okay, on the other side, okay, still the same. Panel lines are good. Okay, door handles colored silver. So it goes with the silver trims for the window trims. Okay, very good. And I mentioned earlier about the massive tail fin. Ooh, there it is. As you can see, very good details on that one. Look at the paint. Very good paint job on the massive tail fin. Okay, colored red and silver. And also the tail lights. Tail lights are plastics, and these are the bullet types. There you have it. Good details as well. More details at the back. Okay, there's it's an end loader. Okay, there you have it. At the rear, that's a license plate. It says Ecto-1A. Okay, rear door. The door lever. Okay, it's called silver. Just like on the sides, the windows have silver chrome trims, and the orange and black stripes as well. Okay, now before we go to the roof, okay, we talk about the inside first. Okay, details on the interiors are really good. Could have been better if YS model had somehow painted it. Okay, get to see the details inside. And also, as you can see, there's this white thing. Okay, this is like a computer monitor on this side, and also on the inside, you can see there's some details as well. Okay, and I believe these are proton packs. Okay, ones that Ghostbusters use. Okay, strap on their backs. Okay, these are proton packs in the back. Okay, I think there are 4 of them. Okay, now moving on to the roof. Okay, what sets the Ecto-1A different from the Ecto-1 from the first movie is that, as I've said, many accessories in the back. And what's striking is this digital board. Okay, digital announcement board. Okay, it says here on the side, we're back, and on the other side it says Ghostbusters. Oh, very nice. And also you can see tackle the one up front. Okay, these are the sirens here at front, and also the lights. Okay, emergency lights. Ooh, very well detailed on that one. And also more details are the antennas or sensors. Okay, you can see there's a radar dish here. Oh, very well made. Okay, I read that this radar dish, okay, is to scan for paranormal activities, okay, and measure the PKE levels, okay, PKE, psychokinetic energy level. So, okay, those are the energy output of supernatural entities. Okay, purely fictional, purely made for the movie. Okay, so I've said, once again, these are the siren speakers here. Okay, both sides. Okay, on the roof, and more accessories. Okay, this one is a storage tank. Okay, the storage tank. Okay, these are what's inside the storage tanks. Okay, I believe are a, or rather positively charged mood slime. Okay, so they need to spray it on people. Okay, there has to be a somehow a slime blower here. Okay, I think the back one is a slime blower, that one. Anyway, more details on the storage tanks, and the yellow tanks there. There's also a red light here. Okay, and more storage tanks or tools. Okay, in red. Okay, these are, I think these are more proton packs for them. Okay, just like in the front. Okay, there's still some lights here. Okay, very good. And also on the rear roof, more lights. Okay, very good. I really like this one. Very nice model. Good job, YS model. Okay, YS model. Okay, not one of the models. Okay, from China. Okay, probably based in Hong Kong. Okay, made this one. Okay. Did some research on the internet. Didn't quite get any info from YS model. But anyway, there you have it. This is the 1959 Cadillac Miller Meteor, the Ecto-1A from YS model. Okay, incredibly detailed model. Okay, and for Ghostbusters fans and small-scale collectors, okay, this is a must-have. Okay, especially if you want it in a smaller scale, in 1/64 scale-ish. Okay, 1/64-ish scale. Okay, and really good details on this. Okay, and clearly perfect example, okay, of what we love here on our channel. It's a celebration of little cars with our big passion. Okay, well, I'm going to leave this on the turntable for everyone to see. Okay, if you enjoyed this Halloween special of ours in this channel, okay, hit the like button and probably subscribe to our channel for more diecast unboxings and reviews. Okay, and also, okay, don't forget to visit our Facebook and Instagram pages. Definitely, we're going to do more pics and small reels for this one. Okay, there you have it. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.
Little cars, big passion. Little cars, big passion. Big passion. PJMCollectibles.